An alcoholic is someone who never really stops drinking. Believe me, it's someone who never stops reaching for their last glass. But what does that last drink mean? For an alcoholic, especially in the morning, it's a sneaky, elusive notion. All their tension is focused on the moment when they finally reach that famous last drink. It's not the second one that counts, or even the following ones, because it's never the first last drink. The alcoholic is constantly reviewing what his last is, often to push back the limit, at the risk of sinking, of drinking too much, too soon. That last drink is the one that allows them to start again the next day, despite everything. That's where the power of the last drink lies, and that's where he loses himself. When he reaches it, he accepts that he is its prisoner. It's no longer a question of control, it's a descent. The hospital, the street, wandering. You have to rethink the whole chain, the whole inner dynamic.
Mes illusions donnent sur la cour.